Okay, this is a video to demonstrate how bent the handlebars are. Also, there's the dent. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, I'll try to ride straight. Well, first I gotta turn because I'm in a parking lot. Straight away. Alright. That is me going straight. So it's bent, but just a little bit. Whoa. Gotta balance. Okay. Yep. It's actually really kind of hard to go straight with one hand. Alright. Anyway, it's not that bent. It's a little bit bent though. Okay, that's it.